Hey guys, welcome back. We'll have some breaking news from YouTube, and let me just say off the bat that as far as this goes, likes versus dislikes on any particular video, I can usually judge by your comments and personal conversations and emails whether a topic or a selection of topics is liked or disliked. But that being said, there is an update to dislikes on YouTube. The dislike count will be private across YouTube, but the dislike button will remain. This change will start gradually rolling out today. Now, I think what this means is you'll still be able to track the likes and dislikes inside the YouTube studio, but it will not be made public. Now, whether this is good or bad, I guess there's good points and bad points on both sides. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. If this is something that you guys would like to talk about on a future live chat, let me know. But like I said, as of right now, I have a neutral feeling about this. How I do videos and how I do my own content, I'm not really affected so much by the likes or dislikes, but mainly by your comments and maybe some personal conversations and what's happening in the news. So let me know what you guys think about all this. Definitely post your comments below in the show notes. And if you do like the video, yeah, give it a thumbs up. Why not?